Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix NFC if it's not working on your Android phone. Let's get started. The first thing we'll do is swipe up and open your settings. From here, tap on Connections at the top. You'll see NFC and contactless payment as the third option. Tap on it. If it's turned off, switch it on. You can also try turning it off, waiting about 10 seconds, and enabling it again. Next, tap on Default Wallet and make sure it's not set to None. Choose either Samsung Wallet or Google Wallet. Then check Non-Payment NFC Services and remove any entries that might interfere. Now, check the NFC tag reader, usually at the back of your phone. Try scanning a tag again. If it still doesn't work, go back to Settings, swipe down to Apps, and tap on it. Tap the filter icon, switch to Show System Apps, and hit OK. Use the search bar to find NFC. Tap on it, scroll down, and go to Storage. Here, clear the cache and data for your NFC card reader. Finally, press and hold the side button or volume down, plus power button to restart your phone. After it boots up, your NFC should be working again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.